We're down at the Cherry Tree Youth Centre and we're delivering 3 workshops all around staying safe online. And we've been involved in this amazing project, DIY SOS project. So we've had our engineers in fitting the broadband and the Wi-Fi, but also our teams volunteering. So we're back in again with more teams delivering information sessions for the kids.
We've been learning about phishing, which is like where you send out emails and stuff to get people's passwords and stuff. And we also learnt about how to be happy and safe online and how it is to protect others.
I think it's so important that businesses like KCOM are coming back, that they haven't just helped with the build and gone away. It's absolutely fantastic, and I'm so grateful that KCOM are still around and offering these opportunities and these courses. Over the years, we can make a difference to so many young people, and that's what we wanted.
It's absolutely critical that we keep our customers, local families and their children safe online. We love to get involved, and when we start to build a relationship with a charity or a community group, we continue that relationship. That's a really important thing for us at KCOM in the community work that we do.
You want to be happy and safe online and not sad and unsafe. It's been really good.